Hi guys, good morning! So today is Tuesday and we are on our 21st daily vlog. So today we will be having our review ng trades natin from yesterday and grabe, napakaraming pumaldo from yesterday. I was really expecting talaga na babalikan na ng presyo yung mga order blocks and mga FVGs dun sa ilalim. As I remember, last Friday, we had our massive volatility from Fed nung nag-announce si Jerome Powell na mag-rate cut na sila this coming September. However, hindi pa nila binabalikan yung mga sellers. So, nandun pa rin siya. Nagko-consolidate siya right now. Meaning ng consolidation is nag-range siya doon. Kumbaga, instead na paakyat or pabagsak yung direction, straight lang siya. So, every time na nagko-consolidate, ibig sabihin parang kumukuha sila ng power. Parang kumbaga, preparation yon sa susunod na malaking movement ng market. So, we will be expecting na magkakaroon ng massive movement sa market. So, ngayon, it's ranging. So, as you can see, itong Bollinger Band natin, pa-straight siyang ganyan, ayan. Since straight line siya ngayon, ibig sabihin, siya ay ranging. Kapag ganito yung ranging market, bumababa ako ng 15-minute time frame. So, favorite ko yung ganitong market kasi dito ako nakakuha ng mas malaking profit from a sell and buy. So, kapag ranging ang market, wala akong bias. Basta nakita ko nag-bounce sa support, magbabay ako. Basta nakita ko nag-bounce sa resistance, mag-sell ako. That's why sobrang favorite ko ng ranging market. Kasi for most traders, what they want is syempre trending market kasi that's where they can make a lot of money. However, doon ako namumulot sa ranging. And just so you know guys, 70% na nangyayari sa market is ranging. 30% lang yung trending. So imagine niyo if you can trade during ranging market, mas marami yung opportunity for you. So ngayon, since ranging yung market, bumababa ako ng 15 minutes. So baba tayo 15-minute time frame. So kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, nagba-bounce lang siya dun sa ating support and resistance. By the way, ang ginagamit ko support and resistance is itong aking Bollinger Band. So, kapag nag-bounce na doon sa ating upper band, resistance natin yon. Pag nag-bounce dito sa support natin, which is ang ating lower band, opportunity to buy na yan. So, makikita nyo, nag-bounce siya sa upper band, lower band, upper band, lower band, upper band, lower band. Ayan. Baboy mo, bebe! So, ngayon, how much did we make from yesterday? So, tingnan natin, custom. Yesterday was August 25. Yan. So, lagay natin August 25. So, ngayon, we were able to generate $782 from yesterday. So, magkano ba yung 782? Ayan. We were able to generate 44,313 from our trade yesterday. So, kung i-review natin si TradeZella. Right now, we have a net PNL of $2,272. And ito yung naging performance natin from yesterday. Ayan. 864. And nung Sunday, actually may trade tayo. Floating kasi ito negative float to ng BTC. So, kapag meron kasi mga floating na negative, ang count din yan is actually negative. Ayan. So, ito yung trades natin for the whole August. Ayan. We make profits, we make losses. And then for our MyFX book, actually last week we had a mistake kasi ayan, nag-draw down tayo ng 62%. Ayan, honestly, hindi ko alam paano siya nag-draw down ng 62%. Pero I think ang basis nito is yung total profit, hindi yung dun sa total na deposit ko. Kasi hindi naman ako ever nagkaroon ng drawdown with my deposit $2,000 na 62%. So, I don't know ano naging computation ito. However, tumaas yung drawdown natin dito sa MyFX book. But still, we are still on $168. Ay, 168.83% na gain. Ayan. And congratulations pala sa atin kasi we are already 18,385 members na sa ating Telegram community. Ayan guys, so parami na tayo ng parami. And right now, ayan, meron 48 people na nag-join right now. And ayan, sobrang dami na naman na profit kahapon. Diba? Nakakatuwa yung mga profits nyo. Ayan, paldo pa rin. Ayan, naka 200 USD daw siya. Ayan, in a few days, community, parang may mas confidence ako sa signals mo po kasi di ka lang nagsasabi when to buy and sell. But nag-explain ka din bakit buy and bakit sell and may analysis. Nakaka-help talaga siya sa trading psychology ko. So, ayan, sobrang grateful ng ating mga kasama sa community. Ayan, much appreciate accurate signals. Thank you, more power. Diba? Ayan, bawi-bawi lagi pang sobra. Diba? Nakakatuwa yung mga profits nila kasi talagang kumikita, napakarami yan guys. And kahapon, ayan, medyo onti nakasabay sa signal natin. Out of 176, meron 58% na nakasabay sa signal and meron 42% na na-miss nila yung signal. Siguro busy sila. So yan, ito yung huli natin na sinend, nagpa-sell tayo kasi scalp lang naman dahil 15-minute time frame lang tayo nakatingin. Nagpa-sell tayo and then nagpa-buy tayo. Ayan, so mapapansin nyo. Sell and buy yung binabato natin kasi nga ranging yung market. Yun. Tapos may mga explanation tayo. Ayan. And yeah, kahapon, kaya nung time na nag-London session, hindi masyado magalaw yung market, wala masyadong liquidity is because sarado yung mga bangko sa UK, sa United Kingdom. So, ngayon, since sarado yung market sa UK, medyo mabagal yung galaw ng market sa London session. Kaya, consolidation lang talaga ang kaganapan niya yesterday. So, ayun, lower liquidity, slower yung price moves, and medyo madami-dami yung manipulation. So, kapag mga ganun, titignan nyo rin yung mga news, diba? Pero, nung weekend kasi, ayan, nakapag-generate tayo ng 0.8 lots, which is $1,900 from BTC. Iniwan lang natin yun, tapos nag-TP hit na siya. Tapos, ito yung tinuro ko kung paano mag-move ng SL and kung paano mag-partial profit. Ayan. So, ito yung in-explain natin nung morning. Reason for the setup. Yan. Kasi nagkaroon siya ng gap down dito. Nung Monday morning, nagkaroon siya ng gap down. And this is an indication na, syempre, malakas yung mga sellers. Ayan. We have a gap down here. Means the new week open at a lower price than last week's closing price. This usually signals bearish sentiment at the open. Sellers were more aggressive and buyers pulled back. So, sellers may dominate early sessions but gaps often get filled. So yan, laging nafe-fill up yan. Ito yung gap, diba? So, nafe-fill up lagi yan. So, make sure na mag-join na kayo sa Telegram natin. Libre naman makapasok dyan as long as syempre legit yung account nyo. Kapag medyo suspicious yung account nyo, di ko ina-approve yan. So, ito yung link dyan para makapasok kayo sa Telegram. Yan, pasok kayo dyan. Ayan guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-gym. Kasali kayo mag-swimming. And then, nag-sauna. And then, nakaligo na din. And right now, ayan, nakabihis na. Siyempre, asawa ko nagluluto na ng aming lunch. So, it's already 12. And kaninang umaga, we were able to generate $306 from the dip na nangyari doon sa ating golden zone. So, actually, na-vlog ko na to kanina. And ito yung kinita natin kaninang morning. Nag-TP hit siya. Ay, nag-TP hit siya. So, naka-generate tayo ng $306. Crucial things that you really have to look at sa chart is yung moving average 200. For some people, they do not like to use indicators, but for me, it works well for me. So, you don't have to worry on what other people would say. Kung gumagamit ka ng indicator, it's totally fine. So, nakakain na muna pala kami. So, later na lang. So, anyway, gumagamit ako ng moving average 200 na nakakatulong sa akin para malaman kung hanggang sa nagkakaroon ng dip. And apparently, yung MA200, dun din siya nagbabounce, especially if you're using Fibonacci retracement, para malaman mo kung saan talaga nagbabounce yung presyo. So, papansin mo, ayan, nagkaroon siya ng bounce dito. Ayan, nag-bounce dito sa MA200. Actually, this is exactly the Fibonacci golden zone. So, for now, kakain na muna kami ni Gigi. What's our ulam for today?
Adobo. And also have
Salmon,
and
adobo, and so much eggs. Thank you, bebe! So, hindi ko natapos yung vlog ko kanina kasi sobrang busy. Daming ginawa. So, update lang sa mga naging trades natin kanina. Ayan, nag-ranging siya ngayon. Ayan, ranging yung market ngayon. Ayan, ranging siya. Pero we were able to generate $488. Ayan. So, $488 is sa 27,000 pesos. So, siguro tomorrow na lang discuss ano yung mga naging setup natin, yung mga naging strategies natin, bakit yun yung mga binato natin ng signal. Pero so far, I'm very happy naman yung community natin. Ayan, mga pumaldo today. Ayan, congratulations guys. Ayan, dami. Dami yan guys. So, ayun lang guys. Good night. Good night din from my asawa. Good night din from my tuldok.